kids of Southern Leyte on the hashtag Pasundayag Kids Show and Nights of Talents.
Okay guys,
Daghan kayong salamat sa the support of the provincial government of Southern Leyte headed by Honorable Damian G. Mercado and Southern Leyte Tourism Office and Investment Promotion Center headed by Sir Nedgar Garbes in collaboration with the Department of Education Schools Division of Southern Leyte